The Pacific Ring of Fire is home to over 75% of the world's active volcanoes, including Mount Fuji in Japan and Mount St. Helens in the United States, with the region experiencing 90% of the world's largest earthquakes. Volcanic eruptions occur when magma from the Earth's interior is released, with the 1,980 eruption of Mount St. Helens being one of the most significant in recent history, causing $1 billion in damages and affecting 11 states. The movement of tectonic plates is responsible for the formation of volcanic regions, with the Pacific Plate being one of the most active, moving at a rate of 3 to 4 centimeters per year, and the process of subduction creating the perfect conditions for volcanic activity. The Pacific Ring of Fire stretches over 40,000 kilometers, with 75% of the world's active volcanoes, including Japan's Mount Fuji and the Philippines' Mayon volcano. As the Pacific Plate moves at 3 to 4 centimeters per year, it creates a zone of subduction, resulting in the formation of deep-sea trenches and volcanic arcs, like the one that formed the Japanese island of Honshu. The 1,980 eruption of Mount St. Helens in the United States caused $1 billion in damages and affected 11 states, highlighting the destructive power of volcanic activity and the importance of monitoring these natural wonders. The Mayon volcano in the Philippines is home to over 12,000 farmers who cultivate its slopes. In 2018, the volcano erupted, affecting 90,000 people. Volcanic ash from the 2010 Merapi eruption in Indonesia affected 7 million people, causing $2.5 billion in damages. The ashfall was so severe that it forced the closure of several airports. According to Dr. Catherine Sullivan, a volcanologist, the movement of tectonic plates is responsible for 80% of the world's volcanic activity. This process can take millions of years, resulting in the formation of volcanic arcs, like the one that created the Japanese island of Honshu. The Japanese island of Honshu is home to over 100 active volcanoes, with the most famous being Mount Fuji. In 2015, a study by the Japanese Ministry of Education found that the island's volcanic activity is increasing, with 14 eruptions in the past 20 years. Kawah Ijen volcano in Indonesia is home to a stunning turquoise lake, one of the most acidic bodies of water in the world, with a pH level of around 0.5. The 2010 Merapi eruption in Indonesia affected 7 million people, causing $2.5 billion in damages, with ashfall forcing the closure of several airports. Volcanic regions are rich in unique minerals, such as sulfur and quartz, which are formed through the interaction of magma and water, with scientists like Dr. Catherine Sullivan studying their properties. Kilauea, in Hawaii, has been erupting since 1983, with over 500 million cubic meters of lava flowing out. This prolonged activity has reshaped the island's landscape. The 2010 Merapi eruption in Indonesia affected 7 million people, causing $2.5 billion in damages. Volcanic ash can travel thousands of kilometers, impacting global climate patterns. Dr. Catherine Sullivan's research shows that volcanic rocks can provide insights into the Earth's mantle, with some rocks containing minerals formed over 2 billion years ago. The 2010 eruption of Eyjafjallajökull in Iceland caused widespread disruption to air travel, affecting over 10 million passengers. In 2018, the eruption of Kilauea in Hawaii forced over 2,000 people to evacuate, with lava flows destroying hundreds of homes. Lahar, like the one that occurred in Indonesia in 2018, can be deadly, with mud flows reaching speeds of up to 100 kilometers per hour, causing widespread destruction. Iceland's geothermal power plants generate over 80% of the country's electricity, with the Nesjavalir plant producing 120 megawatts of power. The mining industry extracts over $10 billion worth of minerals from volcanic regions each year, with copper, gold, and silver being the most valuable, according to a report by the United States Geological Survey. Tourism in volcanic regions generates over $1 billion in revenue each year, with destinations like Hawaii and Iceland attracting millions of visitors. According to a report by the World Tourism Organization, the economic importance of volcanic regions is evident in the growth of geothermal energy, mining, and tourism, with countries like Iceland and the Philippines investing heavily in these industries, according to a report by the International Energy Agency. Volcanic eruptions occur when magma from the Earth's interior is released, like the 1,985 eruption of Nevado del Ruiz in Colombia, which caused a landslide that killed 23,000 people. The 1,815 eruption of Mount Tambora in Indonesia caused the year without a summer in 1816, with global temperatures dropping by as much as 3 degrees Celsius, affecting crop yields and leading to famine. Volcanic rocks can provide insights into the Earth's mantle, like the research by Dr. Marie Edmonds, who studies the properties of volcanic gases and their impact on the environment.